Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to review this particular product, which is a power ball. So it's the Izoo Automatic Power Ball, which is used for stronging your wrist and triceps. I'm not sure about how it is going to strong my triceps, but it says so. Mostly it is used for making strong your wrist. So I will show you in a demo how it can be done. And you can see this is the target muscles. It targets it when you try to use it, and it costs you around 1000 rupees, and most of the power ball are almost of the same price. The only difference with them is they have some wire attached to it. So you have some wire, you need to wind it first and then try to release, and then it will start moving. But with this, it is an automatic one. All you need to do is just use the arrow. So where the arrow is placed, and then you need to move your ball in that direction, and when it is hard, then it is ready to move. So the way you can use this is like this. So more hard you do, faster it will going to move, and then it will going to target your this wrist area, and also this one. I think that's why they are saying that the triceps. So you can feel some hardness in those areas, and if you use it for enough time, then I think it will go numb. So many times it happens. The main reason why I bought this one is because of the 9 check thing. So if I show you my 9 check, so this is my 9 check, and if you have used 9 check before, all you need to do is you need to move something like this. So one way of making your wrist strong is using 9 check, but there is some cost to it, because you can't just casually keep practicing this thing. So in order to avoid that, I have bought this one, because many times it just strike my head. So I don't want to make myself more uglier. So that is the reason why I bought this one. So let's just have a closer look, and I will try to show it as a demo how we can use this one and how cool it is. And yeah, before going to the close-up, let me tell you that it also has light. So when it will going to start, it will also light up. And the cool thing about this is it uses it as a kinetic energy. So whatever you are moving, it will convert it into the light, the source of the light. So it doesn't have any cell or anything like that. So you are just moving in, and it will going to light up according to the movement you have. So let's just have a closer look what we get. So inside the box, you will find this box. Inside the box you will find this thing, and on the box there is lots of things is written. So as you can see, it is imported, and they have mentioned 1.999 something, but it will gonna cost you at least 1000 rupees here. So if you are interested in looking into this, so you can just take a screenshot from the video. And I think that's all from this. So this is the product name, Izoo Automatic Power Triceps, and you will find one manual kind of thing which shows you how to do it. So it is showing counter operation. There is another model I think in the market which shows the counter. I think it will gonna cost you more than 3000 rupees or so. So I didn't see that as a useful thing, because it will also going to require some cells, and I want to avoid it as much as possible. So I didn't bought that one. As you can see, you need to use your thumb to wind up, and then it will just start moving. So then it is showing that in what motion you can use it. So these are the some different things you can try, and I think that is the most useful one. And I don't like this one, because it targets very weird muscles, so I don't like that. So that's all from this, and let's just see the unit. So as you can see, it's very transparent and good looking product, and it looks very premium, and with 1000 rupees I think that's very good price for this particular unit. So as you can see, what you need to do is you need to use your thumb to wind this up, and it's now hard enough. It's not like wind hard enough, then you can just stop it and place your hand inside it, and don't forget to lock this, because when it start moving and you are a very beginner user, you might drop this while using it. So all you need to do is you need to place this ball part in opposite direction of your palm, because if you're going to put this like this, it will stop the motion of the ball. So you need to place it like that and it will start moving. So you can use this and you can see the light of this. That's how you can use that, and then you can see how it is moving. So it can be used only in this direction only, but okay, it can be used in this direction as well. So it's my first time trying it, but let's just do it like that only. And more more quicker you try to do it, more hard it will become. So it is targeting my these muscles all the way to this part, and some triceps as well. So this is the closer look while it is running. And if you're talking about the thing whether it is working or not, try to use it for some days with this hand only, and then try to use with this. So you can see how how solid or how strong this becomes. So when I bought this first, like a few months ago, I was not able to even do this movement, but after using it for a month or so, I'm able to use it like that. So I will show you from the another angle while using it. So I will try to wind this up. So it took you around 3 to 4 seconds only, and doesn't require any very good strength. You can say even kid can do that. So just place it like this and lock this so that it will won't get dropped, and then hold it like this and then try to move it. So the way I do it like this, and when I try to move it, and if I go very fast, you can hear the sound of it. So there is a motor inside it which is doing that, and there is a lots of light coming from this. So you can see the light. Alexa, turn off my tube. So you can see the light. Alexa, turn off my bulb. So you can see the light. It's really cool and very good for the wrist. So my focus is really bad now because of that dressing light. Alexa, turn on my tube. So now after using it for a while, I can see this targeted muscle. Alexa, stop, cancel. So you can feel this part of the muscle, and not this one. Maybe if I try to use something like this, it will going to target it, but I don't like that particular moment. So now close up is far better. So let me just get close and do a summary. Alexa, turn on my bulb.
Okay.
So as you can see, it looks really cool. I was trying to turn off all the lights and show you. So it's really nice, and if you're going to work out in a night, then you can imagine that how others will going to see. So that's a very good product, very cool product. And main thing is it will going to strong your wrist. Definitely, I have been using it and I feel lots of difference in that, and it is far better than that the grip we see. So it has a spring to it, and when we try to put it, so it targets these things only, not the wrist one. And there is another one, but I think rotation is the best way you can strong your wrist, and especially if you are an uncheck practitioner, I think that's one of the best gadgets you can ever have for making your wrist strong. So I think that's value for money. And if you try to purchase a power bowl, I think you should go with this one, not the thread one, where you need to use like thread and try to like pull that in order to start that. It's an auto start thing. So I especially for that purpose I liked it. And I think most of the power bowl have same pricing. So I think that's it for this video. And if you have any questions regarding this particular product, please comment below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.